Hello and welcome to another episode from How to Webmaster. Today I will show you guys how to use the ChatGPT with the free plugins, which is currently in beta mode. In order to access the plugins, you do need a ChatGPT Plus account. So anyways, you go here to GPT-4 and then select, you will see a list of your enabled plugins. You go down here to the plugin store. The majority of the plugins I've seen so far are free to use. All you have to do is click install. So I just installed this Vox script, which will enable ChatGPT to search the web, getting Google search results and more. So that's very useful. And click down here to go next. In the example today, I want to also use this link reader. Let's install here, and this can read any link or URL you give to ChatGPT, and it can include YouTube videos, PDF, PowerPoint, images, and you can also search for a plugin up here. So for now, I've selected the Vox script and the link reader. So here's an example prompt that I use to make GPT work with the plugins. So use the plugins I have enabled. Find me a current PDF tutorial on search engine optimization for this year, 2023. Give me the link and also read the PDF and give me a summary. Let's see how that goes. Okay, you can see the plugin working right here. It is using the Vox script to search the web, and now using the link reader to read the PDF just like I want it. So here's the result. It actually found me 5 PDFs instead of just one. And let's go down here, read and summarize the first ebook right here. And apparently it used the link reader, but it couldn't find the PDF. It's probably because of the redirects from these sites. You can actually just paste in the URL of the PDF directly right here. So I found this ebook on search engine optimization, and I'm going to tell GPT to read it. So here is the example prompt. So read the ebook and give me a summary, and here's the link. And you can see it's using the link reader, and now it is writing the summary. So without these plugins, ChatGPT would not be able to read this PDF or images or videos. Okay, here is another example of a very powerful plugins that you can use for affiliate marketing, especially Amazon affiliate marketing. So these two plugins are free right here: Review Reader and Today's Top Deal at Amazon. So let's enable those two, and here's my prompt. And basically it's the same thing. Use the plugins I have enabled, find today's top electronic deal, and give me a review summary. Okay, here it is, using the Top Deal plugin. And now down here, it's going to gather the reviews right here with this plugin and then give me a summary. Alright, here is the complete article. So it found this deal right here on a keyless entry product, and then down here you can see it has a very nice review, the quality, the installation process, functionality, battery life. So it's a very good summary. There are currently hundreds and hundreds of plugins you can try, and more are getting added every day. Some very cool plugins, and you can always uninstall them by just simply clicking right here. You can install as many as you want. but you can only use 3 at a time per prompt. If you are an affiliate marketer or blogger, ChatGPT with these plugins, highly recommend it. Thanks so much for watching.